Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be talking about the 6 simple ways to make your lash lift last longer. Who doesn't love waking up to long, luscious lashes? Lash lifts are a great way to make your lashes look more voluminous and full, but let's be honest, they don't last forever. So, if you're looking for ways to make your lash lift last longer, you're in the right place. We've got 6 simple tips that'll help you get the most out of your lash lift, so you can keep on fluttering those luscious lashes. Without further ado, let's get to it. Here are 6 simple steps to making your lash lift last longer. 1. Using a lash serum. Using a lash serum can help nourish your lashes and keep them looking healthy and full. This is especially important if you're looking to make your lash lift last longer. A good lash serum can help to strengthen and lengthen your lashes, as well as combat any damage caused by the perming process. 2. Avoid water and makeup products after your lash lift. When you first get a lash lift, you'll want to avoid getting your lashes wet for the first 48 hours. This will help to ensure that the lift lasts longer. This is because water and makeup products can both be harsh on your lashes. This includes mascara, eyeliners, and even eyeshadows. Water can weaken the lift, and the chemicals in makeup products can break down the curl. To make your lash lift last longer, try to avoid getting your lashes wet or using makeup products on them. This will help keep your lashes looking healthy and full for longer. 3. Brush your lashes. Brushing your lashes is a great way to keep them looking full and healthy. This will also help to make sure that your lash lift stays in place and lasts longer. Brush your lashes gently with a clean spoolie brush twice a day, and you'll be sure to keep your lashes looking great. 4. Avoid rubbing your eyes. Rubbing your eyes is a big no-no when it comes to lash lifts. This is because the rubbing motion can break down the curl of the lashes, causing them to become less full and more prone to breakage. Also, the friction of rubbing your eyes can cause the lash lift to weaken and break down, which will result in a shorter lasting lift. So, try to avoid rubbing your eyes and be gentle with your lashes. 5. Keep your lashes moisturized. Keeping your lashes moisturized is vital to making sure your lash lift lasts longer. An easy way to do this is by using a lash serum or oil. This will help to keep your lashes looking healthy and full and will also help to keep the curl in place. 6. Use gentle skin and beauty products. It's essential to use gentle skin and beauty products when you have a lash lift. This will help to ensure that your lashes remain healthy and strong and that the curl of your lashes stays in place. Look for products that are specifically designed for lash lifts or those that are labeled as safe for contact lens wearers. In conclusion, if you want your lash lift to last long, do not be afraid to put in a little extra effort. Follow these simple tips, and you'll be sporting those luscious lashes for weeks to come. So grab your mascara, oil, and patience, and you'll be able to rock a beautiful lash lift for all to admire. Give your eyelashes the treatment they deserve. Raw Brow gives you at-home brow lamination kits that are easy to use and help you achieve the look you want. With our products, you can give yourself a natural, full, and luscious set of lashes that will last for weeks. Check out Raw Brow's selection of kits and products today, and get ready to show off your beautiful lashes.